Day 1. As you stop eating sugar, your body is still flooded with glucose. Insulin is high, trying to store excess sugar into cells. Insulin acts like a key, pushing sugar into your cells. But without new sugar coming in, this balance starts to shift. As blood sugar drops, your brain senses danger. This triggers cravings, irritability, and fatigue. Sugar stimulates dopamine, your brain's reward chemical. Without it, you feel low, like withdrawal. Your liver now breaks down glycogen, a stored form of sugar, to maintain energy levels. By day 3 to 4, glycogen stores begin to run low. Your body prepares for a major shift. Now fat cells open up, releasing fatty acids. This process is called lipolysis. The liver converts fat into ketones, an alternative fuel for your brain and body.
Your brain adapts to using ketones. Mental clarity begins to improve.
Insulin levels stabilize. Your body is no longer on a sugar roller coaster.
Chronic inflammation decreases, improving overall cellular health.
Your gut bacteria change. Sugar-loving harmful microbes begin to die off.
Fat burning accelerates. Your body becomes more efficient at using stored energy.
Cells become more sensitive to insulin, reducing risk of metabolic diseases. Your liver starts repairing itself, especially if it was affected by excess sugar. Fat stored in the liver begins to decrease, improving liver function.
Your hormones begin to balance, including insulin and stress hormone cortisol.
Energy levels become stable throughout the day, no crashes, no spikes.
Reduced sugar lowers glycation, improving skin texture and slowing aging.
Less sugar means less glycation, a process that damages proteins and accelerates aging. Your body becomes metabolically flexible, using both fat and glucose efficiently.
Blood vessels become healthier, reducing risk of heart disease.
Brain function improves, better focus, memory, and mood.
Lower insulin demand reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes.
Your immune system becomes stronger and more responsive.
Your body is now fully adapted to burning fat as a primary fuel. Hormones are reset to a healthier baseline. Cellular repair processes improve, slowing internal aging. In just 30 days, your body has undergone a powerful transformation. No sugar for 30 days, and your body rewires itself. Imagine what longer can do. Subscribe for more science-backed transformations.